Hey, how's it going? I couldn't help but notice that the tree you're standing under isn't really keeping you very dry. Oh, damn, your phone's out of juice. Ugh, isn't that just the worst? Well, would you like me to call someone for you, or I could get you an Uber? Right. Ubers are pretty expensive right now. Well, is there anyone else I could call? Because you're gonna catch a cold if you walk out in the rain. Oh, you just moved out here. Also, here's a little tip. Don't tell strangers you live alone. A lot of weirdos around here. But hey, I have a pretty big umbrella. You want to walk with me? You sure? If you're gonna wait for the rain to stop, you're gonna be here all night. Come on, I insist. Plus, a cute person like you out here? That's just asking for trouble. You have my word I won't try anything funny. If it makes you feel any better, you can hold my phone. Just please don't drop it. It's the brand new Nebula S21, and it's very expensive. Well, I do have a car. And most days I do drive home, but I choose to walk home during rainy days. It helps me clear my head and it puts me at ease. And my favorite thing above all else, and don't think I'm weird, but I love the smell of the rain. Yeah, the sound is pretty great too. Something about the sound of rain just hits a little different, you know? So, you're new in town, right? How do you like it so far? As you can see, it rains a lot here, but I honestly never minded that. Especially since my job consists of a lot of writing. And I don't know, the rain seems to bring me lots of ideas. Do I know that feeling? I worked some pretty shitty jobs during my college days too. It felt like my life was just stuck in place, but once I got my stuff in gear, it got better. There's a little life experience to you from me. Don't worry about that. It will work out. We all gotta start somewhere. Just keep your mindset positive and the negative things won't be so bad. Easier said than done, but once you master it, there'll be nothing that can get you down. Nah, I don't have it all figured out just yet. Still working out the kinks. Also, I have a little inspiration at home to keep me going. Check out my lock screen. Yep, she's cute alright. Her name's Vulpix. Named her after the Pokemon since she's a little fireball. Oh, that's pretty cool. Maybe sometime me and you could, go on a little puppy date. For sure. It sounds like hella fun. I mean, you already have my phone, you might as well put your number in. What can I say? Smooth is my middle name. Besides, I have full control over you right now. All I have to do is tilt my umbrella towards me and you'll be soaked. Let me give you another piece of advice. Life's not fair. That's what you get for trusting a stranger. Now put in your number and save it with your name, since I don't really know that either. Alright, sweet, let me take a look. That's a pretty cute name. I like it. I don't care if you don't like it. It's my opinion that matters. Whoa, watch out! What an asshole. That guy literally drove over that puddle on purpose. Did they splash you at all? Well, lucky you. I'll admit using my body as a shield was actually pretty smart. But that's gonna cost you. Oh, I'm not asking for your money. I want something a bit more personal. I want you to hold my hand for the rest of the walk home. Barely know me, yet you're using me as your human water shield. I guess I'll just have to move the umbrella away from you after all. Not to mention that the temperature's dropping pretty quickly. Good. Now give me your hand. There, now isn't this just a cute picture? We're walking home like some sort of couple. Hey, you good? Pick your head up, it's not good for your neck to be looking down like that. Hey, your face, it's so red. Do you have a fever? I know it's cold out here, but... Oh... You're embarrassed. I'm guessing you don't hold hands very often. It's kind of fun, isn't it? See? I told ya. How about this? I'll make you a deal. If you don't let go once throughout our walk, I'll give you a treat. No, I didn't mean to treat you like my dog. Let me rephrase. I'll give you a prize. So, it looks like we're almost there. Yeah, I got your prize for you. But before I give you the prize, I have a question to ask you. Have you ever kissed someone in the rain? Well, today's your lucky day. That was nice. I'll see you around, cutie pie.